Is reversing age possible? Now, this is a question that's been asked for millennia, and it depends on what you class as age, because I don't believe that age is really correct in terms of what we mean by it, because we correlate age with time. So age at the moment is just how long you've been around for. Now, biological aging is a slightly different matter, but again, people relate it to years, right? So when you do a biological age test, if it comes back younger than your time on Earth, you go, oh, that's a good thing. I'm younger than what I should be, right? So it depends on what you would class as age. Now, some people would say age is the way you look and the way you feel. So some people say, oh, you look much younger than what you are. Some people say you look a lot older. But does that mean that you have reversed aging? It doesn't really, not at a cellular level. So it depends on what you would class as age. Can we reverse time? No, we can't reverse time. But what we can look at is a compounding effect of certain interventions and certain lifestyle adaptations that can elongate the time we can spend on Earth and the quality of that time that we can spend on Earth. And that may be how you reverse age, because you're just increasing the age, right? If you were, 40 years old and someone says, oh, I'll make you 20 again, you might automatically jump at that and go, yeah, that sounds really good, make me 20. But if you knew that if you were 20, you would die at the age of 50 from a heart condition, and then you said, actually, I won't make you 20 again, you can stay at 40, but you would die at 80, healthily pass away, then you would think twice about going back to being 20. So being younger doesn't always mean being better. And reversing age isn't exactly a plausible idea, but becoming much healthier over time and therefore slowing down these processes which are associated with time. Now, that really is something that we focus on, because time is linear. It's related to minutes, seconds, hours, days, weeks on a clock. And biological changes in our body, physiological aging, isn't linear. Some days you probably don't age at all, whereas some days you might age faster. And then over a year, you may have aged 6 months of that year. The next year, you may age 13, 14 months in terms of time correction. So what we do is we look at these compounding interventions which can basically slow down that process as you move forward and maintain a healthy quality of life, but also increase the quantity as much as we can.